Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and I am about to make a natural air freshener, and I have fresh bay leaves that I'm growing on my back porch in pots. And as you can see, I have cinnamon sticks, have an orange, and these are rosemary leaves. I'll put about a teaspoon of that. I don't have the fresh, so I'm using this. I have a lemon and a lime and some cloves. And I am going to slice up these citrus fruits and put all of this in this pot that I have boiling. And once I get them all sliced up, I'll come back and show you what I'm doing on the stove. Okay, y'all, this is my natural air freshener, and it is on the stove top boiling. And let me tell you what I put in here. I have the sliced lemons, sliced lime, sliced oranges, and cloves, rosemary, fresh basil, cinnamon sticks, and to that I added a drop of lemon flavoring and a drop of vanilla flavoring. And here it is, your homemade natural air freshener, and the aroma is awesome. So please like, share, follow, subscribe, ring the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. Give me the thumbs up. This is Patti with Patti's Southern Kitchen and more. I love you all.